Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Kafka on Confluent, easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Kafka on Confluent, first, visit the Confluent Cloud website. Next, click on the Get Started button to create your account. Fill in your email address and password to sign up for a new account. After completing the form, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once verified, log in to your Confluent Cloud account. In the dashboard, look for the option to create a new cluster. Select the type of cluster you wish to create, such as basic or standard. Choose your preferred cloud provider and region for optimal performance. Review any pricing information and click Continue to proceed. In the cluster setup, provide a unique name for your cluster. Next, configure the additional settings based on your project requirements. Once everything looks good, click the Create Cluster button. Wait as the Confluent Cloud starts provisioning your new Kafka cluster. Once the cluster is ready, you will see it listed on your dashboard. Now, click on your new cluster to access its management interface. From there, you can create topics, manage configurations, and access your API keys. For setting up clients, navigate to the API Keys section. Generate a new API key and store it securely for future access. With your API key, you can now connect your applications to your Kafka cluster. Explore the documentation to learn about best practices and advanced features. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Kafka on Confluent and set up your cluster. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.